Guys, I'm here again, Investor Doctor Academy. So this will be our first and Apple a week, which is a weekly review of the futures trading. Alright, so this is our first for the week from 5th of November to 9th of November. Alright, so basically this program we will look into the 5 futures product that we comment every day, which is FKLI and FCPO, the Malaysia product, and also the crude oil, US crude oil, US gold, and US Dow Jones. Alright, so let's summarize what happened during last week. Okay, we start from the Malaysia first. So the last week, basically the main theme is about the trade war uncertainty is still going on, and then the US midterm election, and then the FOMC meeting. So we can say that last week happened quite a lot of things, but for now we still don't have any new factors to affect the market. So let's look at the FKI. Okay, FKI, let's start with the weekly chart. Okay, I draw from here. So from weekly chart, we can see there is a potential double bottom rebound signal, but not yet been confirmed. Need to close above the 1828.5 to confirm the rebound signal. So the thing is, like I mentioned last time, the technical signal or also the chart pattern, if it's happened in longer time frame, it tends to be stronger and more accurate. So that which means that if this double bottom signal is formed in weekly chart, it can be very strong and be very long lasting. Okay, so another thing we can take note is about this Bollinger Band. We can see here the FKLI move in the channel. So when it touch the lower band, it's going rebound and then drop again and then touch and going to rebound. First target will be testing the middle line. Okay, so we see here the FKLI unable to sustain above the middle line and drop back, because we can see the Bollinger Band line not yet closing up, it's still going down. So this is one tips. So when we see the middle line of Bollinger Band is still pointing downside, so we can know that this rebound stage is not strong one, right? But it's quite rebound from the lower band of the channel. So this is also a tip. So we can notice that if previous FKLI is moved in the channel, so this time FKLI move in the channel again and touch the lower band, so maybe we can go for long if they have a rebound signal in shorter time frame. Alright, this is because it's going against the trend, okay, but the stop loss is quite tight. So the meaning that the stop loss is not that much, so it's quite okay to look for buy setup if the index is move in channel, let's say in weekly chart. Okay, so we can saying that the FKI weekly chart is in testing rebound stage but not yet confirmed, because below middle line Bollinger Band, below MACD 0, and below RSI 50. Okay, so we look at the daily chart. Okay, daily chart also showing in the testing rebound stage, the MACD closing up but still below 0, the RSI closing up from oversold but it's still below 0, it's still below the 50. Okay, so it continue move in the channel. So now may testing the upper band of Bollinger Band, which is 1750, which meaning that the daily chart show that if the index close above 1750, will continue to go up. Okay, so now it's testing middle line of Bollinger Band, so may move into a sideways. So we need to take note, because now the Bollinger Band line tend to moving flat. Okay, then we look at the hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart testing rebound stage. So we can see here higher high, higher low, but not yet break the previous high, which around here, around 1750. So which means that the hourly chart also showing that FKI need to close above 1750 to confirm the next rebound signal. Alright, but we can see here the hourly chart, the rebound signal is getting weaker because now it's testing MACD 0 and testing RSI 50. So in short, it's a summary. The FKLI is in a testing rebound stage, not yet confirmed the rebound signal. And then the shorter time frame show rebound, but this rebound stage can be go weaken. Okay, it's weakening. So it's either enter sideways or go down. So we depend whether the MACD goes below the 0 or RSI continue to test lower low to RSI oversold. Alright, so this is how we trade FKLI next week. Can be buy or sell because the trend is testing rebound but not yet confirmed buy signal. So we can enter either buy or sell. So we see if we break this lower low, which is around 1700. Okay, so below 1700 we can go for short, and then those counter trend trader can be look for buy signal around this level and stop loss below 1700. Right, so if continue to test at least close above the middle line of the Bollinger Band, which is 1715, then we can look for the buy signal. Next we move on to FCPO. Alright, FCPO was a bearish week, very bearish, because of the fundamental data is not so good, and also dragged down by crude oil and the related edible oils. So we look at the weekly chart. If we scrolling back, okay, now the FCPO is actually more than 3-year low, so it's more to bearish. Okay, more to bearish, but with the possible technical rebound since the RSI got a divergence here. We can see the price lower low, but the RSI is higher low, sorry. Alright, so may have a technical rebound in short term, but the trend is more to bearish. Alright, because the price we can see here cannot sustain above the middle line of Bollinger Band. Okay, since December last year, okay, we can see it touched the middle line of Bollinger Band, still going down, so it's more to bearish. Yeah, by the way, the vertical line I draw here is last week. It starts from the last Monday. Alright, and then we move to daily chart. Okay, daily chart we can see lower high and lower low, bearish, MACD below 0 and keep closing down. The red histogram we can see is going stronger, bearish, RSI in oversold, bearish, but possible technical rebound in short term because got a divergence here. Okay, but we can see here the Bollinger Band is widened, so meaning that may push down further lah, may push down further. Alright, so our chart showing the same widening, and then oversold possible technical rebound. MACD is still closing down, is bearish, so hourly and daily chart showing the same thing. So in order to let the CPO to rebound, need to close above at least 2100, which is around the middle line of Bollinger Band. Alright, to testing the upper band of around I think 2155 to 2160. Okay, which is around the previous resistance. Alright, so as a summary for CPO, more to bearish, but with a possible technical rebound in short term. But for me, I still stick to sell signal because the technical rebound not yet confirmed, because there is no rebound signal to form after the RSI divergence. So meaning for the stage now, we're still going for short. Okay, as long as the price below 2100, okay, go for sell setup. Then we look to the oil, crude oil. Crude oil, which is same to the CPO, is a quite bearish week. Alright, and then we got share in our Telegram and our group that there is a double top signal in crude oil. It's already been confirmed. Alright, so the double top signal is already confirmed, and like I say just now, the chart pattern in weekly chart is tend to be stronger and more long lasting. Alright, So the project price target will be around 50 to 52. All right, so we watch out whether next week we'll go to test this range, 50 to 52. All right, so it's break to I see the lowest since February, bearish. All right, the thing is MACD not yet close below the zero, so it's the bearish is not so bearish, start to be bearish. All right, the Bollinger Band start to widening, so meaning that the trend maybe just start to begin. Okay, maybe just start to begin. So we need to wait this MACD close below zero to confirm, and then RSI also still closing down to testing the oversold zone. So weekly chart shows a bearish small bear, small bear. So we take a look in daily chart. All right, daily chart, RSI in oversold, MACD, the histogram tend to be flat, and then lower high and lower low. So it's more to bearish, but look out for the possible technical rebound in short term since the RSI in oversold, so maybe testing like 66, the middle line of Bollinger Band here. So as long as the price below this 66 is still more to downtrend, so may rebound to test here and then continue to go down. And then we look on our chart. Our chart show the same move in the channel, so we can see here once the break out from the Bollinger Band is pull back. So our chart showing that the crude oil is moved in the channel, so now may see testing 61. So as long as it cannot sustain above 61, the crude oil price is still going down. But now it's already testing rebound. We can see a MACD and RSI close above. So as a summary for crude oil, it's bearish, all right, and maybe just starting, all right. But now the hourly chart got a technical rebound since the RSI oversold. Okay, so we watch out. May testing the 61 level. Okay, this is the thing we want to watch out. But for me, I still stick to the sell signal first, unless it's able to sustain above the middle line, which is 60. So watch out for any reversal signal at 61. Okay, my goal is missing. Let's go to goal. All right, never mind. Let's go to the Dow Jones first. Go, I try to paste a link. Okay, let it load. Then we look at the Dow Jones first. Dow Jones we see in weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart show quite bullish. It's testing the middle line of Bollinger Band, so testing rebound, and then again we can see something like FKLI. Okay, the weekly chart is moving in the channel, so the tips is like just now. Once it touch upper band of Bollinger Band or lower band of Bollinger Band, we can look for the counter trend. Okay, which is buy signal here and sell signal here, because we can see here got retrace a bit but continue to go up, so the stop loss must be very tight, and then the take profit must be reasonable. Okay, since the index is still moving channel, so we can something that we can trade like this. All right, so it's in rebound stage. MACD above zero, the RSI rebound from 50. Okay, it's in rebound stage. Testing rebound, not confirmed yet. Okay, not confirmed yet. So now maybe like the price target can be seen at. The chart gone. How come? Let me check a while. There's something wrong about my PC. Okay, it's coming back. Alright, so let's talk about the Dow Jones first. So the Dow Jones sees not much movement after the midterm election and the FOMC meeting. So next week, what factors that we need to watch out and how to trade, then we can continue to watch at our Telegram or Facebook channel. Okay, let me go back to the website. It takes some time to load. Okay, but never mind. And from here, we talk about the gold first. Yeah, it's coming up. So we go back to Dow Jones. Okay. Alright, so the special thing about today is actually Double 11, which is the online sales day. We can see now not only the Taobao, a lot of websites like Lazada in Malaysia also got the campaign like this. So thanks for you guys to borrow me your time on this very important online sales day. Okay, then we move into the daily chart. Daily chart, same thing, testing rebound but not yet confirmed because the MACD is still below 0, and then RSI testing 50. Okay, so now testing a upside of Bollinger Band, so we can see the Bollinger Band actually widening up. So maybe can continue to test rebound because as long as the price sustain above 61.8 level. So now it's still in rebound stage. May be testing near 27000 level. Okay, and then we look at the hourly chart. Alright, hourly chart show different things because you can see the MACD closing down actually and then break below 0. RSI below 50. Okay, so our chart here, and then the Bollinger Band closing down, widening, price below the middle line of Bollinger Band. So meaning that we can actually look for sell signal for the Dow Jones now. It's in rebound stage but with a possible technical correction in short term. So the buy signal only form above this middle line of Bollinger Band, which is around previous high for 26085. Alright, so above 26085 we look for buy signal. For now, there's a possible week that we can look for sell signal. Alright, so the summary for Dow Jones is in testing rebound stage, not yet confirmed the rebound signal. Okay, but the shorter time frame, like in average or below, show a weakening signal. So it can be choose to buy or trade, buy or sell. Okay, can be buy or sell. And then we look on the gold. Okay, go. We look at the daily chart. Daily chart is the weekly chart first. Sorry. So weekly chart show us a very long way of sideways trend since the 2013. Okay, and now testing a middle line of Bollinger Band. Then the MACD closing up, RSI closing up. So meaning that my testing is a testing rebound stage, but a very weak testing rebound signal. Okay, more likely in a sideways because since the price is still hovering about the middle line of Bollinger Band. And then we take a look in daily chart. Okay, daily chart show a weakening signal. Alright, MACD closing down, RSI also closing down. Alright, so maybe a next chance to testing 1200 level. So daily is sideways to lower. We can see here it's sideways to lower. Okay, our chart also show the same. It's more to bearish since it got lower highs and lower lows here, and then break the short-term support. Okay, the lowest since October 11, which is 1 month low. Alright, so our chart show the price is 1 month low is more to bearish, but with a possible technical rebound. You can see here the MACD testing to close above. So need to at least close above 1216, which is the middle line of Bollinger Band, may form a signal to testing 1228, the previous high. Alright, so the summary for the gold is sideways to lower trend. Alright, but in our time frame, may have a technical rebound signal, but it's still more to bearish. So we can we can look for the sell signal first in gold. Alright, and then we see whether got higher high and higher low. Start from here. Okay, because since now still don't have any higher high and higher low. So for now we stick to the sell signal. Alright, so at last we conclude these 5 products from this week. Okay, so what happened in this week is that FKLI move more or less same like Dow Jones. It's in testing rebound stage, but the short term is weakening. Short term is weakening, so can be buy or sell. Can be buy or sell. We look at the short term time frame and then we can go either buy or sell. Alright, FCPO more or less like crude oil. Okay, more to bearish is hit more than the very long term period of low. So it's bearish, but the possible technical rebound in short term. But for me, I will stick to the sell signal first, as long unless that the short term rebound got several wave of higher high and higher low. So for the FKI and Dow Jones, can be buy or sell, depend on the shorter time frame. Crude oil and CPO, I will stick to the sell signal first. Okay, then wait for the higher high and higher low wave. Alright, for the gold is sideways to lower, so I will prioritize the sell signal first and then look for higher high and higher low to detect buy signal, and also look at the US dollar index. Okay, so that will be my sharing for this week. So anything for the next week, please log on our channel. Okay, also recommended to your friends because this will be free, and this review we will do it every week. Alright, so for also can subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channel to view more of our videos. So this will be all. Thank you guys. Thank you.